everybody, what's up? I'm back with another video. This one's a little bit different this time. So we are going to jump into a video today that I have wanted to do for a while now, and a couple of my subscribers gave me this idea. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and get a lot of knowledge from it. So the perfect nursing shoes, or the perfect dental assisting shoes, the perfect medical shoes period. For somebody who has lower back pain and they have to stand a long time, or they're on their feet for 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day, whatever it is, these are some great, and I wouldn't say the best, but there's always another pair that's going to be better than the last pair. So for the sake of this video, I do have my nursing attire on, just so I can show you guys how I wear them, how they fit appropriately, how all these shoes work the best way they can. Now, I'm going to show you some old pairs of shoes that I have used in the past, and they did not last me no time, or they have lasted me a long time and they ended up giving out, and that just wasn't doing any justice for me. Also, and then I'm going to show you the shoes that I have been wearing for about, I'd say, a month and a half, maybe a month now, and I have had incredible results from these shoes alone. The Clogs footwear. Never in a million years would I have thought I was going to wear clogs, but they are also on the more expensive side. Yes, I love the amazing designs in these. I bought these in store. The store I found these in was Super Shoe. The reason I love these is because, for one, there is great protection. There is also great stability and awesome arch support and heel and toe support in these. I have not had to do anything with the insoles at all. I broke them in a little bit, but they didn't take very long to break in at all. It's not really a memory foam. It's more or less a foam that just doesn't sink and stay. It cushions your walk every time you walk. The only thing I wasn't too sure about when I bought these was the extra space back here when I put these on my foot. And what I mean with that, I'll show you. Where they sit on the foot, they sit about mid-arch on the top of the foot. And then also on this side, they do cover the, they come right below the ankle line. They come right below the ankle line here. Here's my ankle. Right here is where they come up to. This back here, you can see that I can put about a finger width of space in between that and between my foot and the shoe. That is the way they are supposed to fit. Now, they're not supposed to flip-flop really too much at all on your foot. So if I stand and I bend like I'm walking, they're not supposed to flip completely off the back of your foot. Another one of my favorite things is this part right here. This gives my foot room to move when I'm walking right here. It doesn't hold my foot down and bruise the top of my foot. They have a great sole on the foot as well. So these clogs are online, and they also are in stores. I found my clogs at my local Super Shoe. I'm sure you can also find them at other different types of shoe stores and things like that. So these shoes are a little bit expensive. They run everywhere between $114.95 to $129.95, and it just depends on the different types of styles and stabilities. 44 to 42 different types of prints are on the website, and then the arch support in these are phenomenal. They do not hit my arch too high. They hit it just right. They come right in this little whoosh spot right here. They don't just go straight up into my arch, and it's not too high in the front for the arch as well. It comes just right where you need it. I have been a medical assistant for 4 years now, 3 years. For standing as long as we do, and with our back and how much we suction and flip rooms around and walk and are on our feet all day, these are great. They give great cushion to your foot and hold you upright, and definitely help your knees and your lower back. Is the protectiveness. This is hard up here. This is puncture resistant. Instruments will go through these, as far as I know. I have had things land on my feet with these, and so far so good. They also are slipping proof, so they have a great sole on the bottom with great texture. This texture is called the Pure Grip Tread, and it adds definitely slipping proof. There's a range of options out there for you guys in the Clogs brand. I absolutely love these shoes. They have helped my back tremendously. Like I said, I have scoliosis and spondylosis, so I have a lot of back issues sometimes, and that can cause definitely feet problems, arch problems, hip problems. So I'm always on the lookout for a good type of shoe because they didn't last very long at all. These are the Skecher Arch Fit memory foam shoes here. They are sleek, they're black, and they definitely have an arch to them right here, as you can see. But this type of material, I feel like does not hold up as well as it is supposed to. Now, granted, these did last me for about 4 to 6 months without hurting very fast. The top of them are not puncture resistant, they are cloth. They had great memory foam on the inside, but these are some great gym shoes possibly for when you're first starting out with these, but they don't hold up very long. Again, these are the Skecher Arch Fit, and the arch in these definitely felt like they were more higher than what they were supposed to be when I started out wearing these. I went back to the Altras. These are the Glide Rail Ego Altras here. And these are also some pretty expensive shoes. Honestly, pretty dang cute shoes. I like the color of them. I like the style of them. They don't come in as many selections as designs as the Clogs do, but these did last me pretty good. But I noticed that my foot was rolling more in these than I thought they would, and my foot would roll like inward when I walked, and that's only on one side. So also another thing you noticed, there is toe protection here, but on the top side, this is cloth again, and on the sides is cloth. Also, this has this foam type of stability and durability back here like the Skechers, and I think it was too much of a height for me when I was working, because when I was standing in these, they honestly started to hurt my feet and my knees, my lower back. But the Clogs honestly have mostly everything I was looking for, such as protection, different types of designs, protection around the whole foot is what I'm getting at, the arch support, the durability when I walked, the slipping proof, and the fit and comfort on the top of the foot. I really do dig these shoes, and I hope you guys really benefit from this video, but that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like more videos like this, give us a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!